your girl Tiff, and today I'm doing a makeup challenge. I'm doing the random number picks my makeup challenge, but I'm only doing it on my eyeshadow because I don't have many other options for the rest of my face. So I'm only doing it for my eyeshadows, and luckily it turned out pretty good. So if you want to see how I got this look with the random numbers picked my makeup challenge, just go ahead and keep watching my videos. So I'm gonna start off putting my eyebrows on. I'm using the eyebrow kit City color. To clean up my brows, I'm gonna use my foundation NARS in the color Valencia. I'm using this type of brush. It's like stiff. The eyeshadow palette I'm using is this one, 35S Morphe brushes, and it's a combination of, like, it's a colorful ass palette. And usually I use one color for the base, another one just for the crease, one for the lid, another one just to enhance the edges. So 4 colors, and I'm using the generator on Google. So we're gonna press generate, and it says 10, so that's gonna be my first color, and we're gonna use 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Oh, that color is actually nice. Now let's do 3 more. So we're gonna generate. It said 27, so it's 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27. Okay, so it's like a gray blue color. So let's generate 2 more times. 34. Okay, black. It's a black color. So 35, 34. So it's green, gray, black. Okay, 1 more. Please be a good color. 16. So this was 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Brown. Okay, bet. I already know what I'm doing. Okay, so I have a little sample of the Photo Finish primer. So I'm just gonna put that all over my face. For my eyeshadow primer, I'm using the Morphe Eyelid Primer, and this one is a translucent one. Since I don't have a light color to use, and all I'm using is basically brown, the bluish, grayish color, and the green and the black, I'm gonna just use the brown as my base. All right, we're gonna use this brush. It's a tapered crease brush from Sephora, number 19. Just a nice fluffy brush. We're gonna go in with that brown color that we got. So then I'm gonna go in with the black. So for the black, I'm gonna use like a stiff smudge brush. I believe I got this from Avon. We're just gonna get a little bit of black, do like a smoky eye. There you go. I'm gonna put some concealer on my eyelids, and to do that I'm using the Total Cover Up Concealer by Makeup Artistry Network. This is from my school when I went to makeup school, and I'm using just like a concealer brush like this. So for the bluish greenish, I'm thinking of putting it on the inner corner of my eye, and then the green I'm putting it like right here. So we're gonna go a little bit more with the black, and we're gonna just blend it out a little bit. I'm just gonna finish the other eye, and then we'll just finish with the rest of the face. So now that I finished both eyes, I'm gonna start with my face, and I'm gonna use a color corrector, which is in 200 from Makeup Artistry, which is basically just a yellow tone that I'm gonna use under my eye bags because your girl needs help. So now I'm gonna do a little bit of contour before I put on my foundation. And I'm using the Sephora Make No Mistakes foundation stick. This one's in the number 13 Walnut, and then the highlight is 2 Birch. So for my foundation on my face, NARS Valencia. This is my baby. Just gonna put that shit on. So for the bronzer, I'm using Too Faced. This one's Sun Bunny. For highlight, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Glow Kit. And I'm using Moonstone because that's my color. Using a fluffy brush to put some highlight on. And I'm using the same Makeup Artistry concealers. I'm using the Crown Brush Blush Kit. It's almost like a pink bronzy one. I'm using a fluffy angled brush. I like to cut it up, my translucent powder and my beauty blender. We're gonna let that sit for like a couple seconds. We're just gonna set our whole entire face. Okay, so we're gonna go back to our eyes. I'm gonna go back in the brown. And we're gonna go back with our black smudgy brush. We're gonna go with the green. We're just gonna add some Morphe setting spray. I'm gonna just curl my lashes just a bit. So finally, we're gonna put on our lashes and some lipstick on. Finish off with some mascara. But I got these new lashes. These lashes, I already tried the regular ones, but the ones that I'm gonna put on today, they're these. And I believe this one's Boss. And they are literally the softest lashes I've ever freaking tried. And her Instagram is Slay and Portray. So her website is on the bio of the page. It's Slay and Portray. And I'm using the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. I'm going in and putting some lipstick on. This one's Top A, my favorite, obviously because I have nothing in there. Okay, and now we're gonna add some mascara and call it a day. Literally, look at my lashes. Alright, so that's the end of the video, and I'm so happy it turned out good. Like, so happy. Because I was nervous because I'm going out tonight and I'm like, gray, green, brown, and black. Where am I gonna put the gray? This is how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my social medias at Tiffany Cheree. And I also made a TikTok. I didn't make a TikTok, I've been having it, but I've been like consistent on TikTok. So if you want to see my cringy ass videos, go ahead, follow me, same username, Tiffany Cheree. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully. Bye.